Well, technology is a very diverse industry. If you look around, it's almost everywhere in almost all things that we touch on a day-to-day basis. Hence, we have many subsectors and customers, each having their unique challenges and needs. If we look at technology customers and segments specifically from an e-commerce perspective, we cover consumer electronics, home entertainment, PCs, desktops, work from home products, white good appliances, wearable devices, and semiconductor companies as well. COVID-19 has forced the world to rethink across all aspects, from how we shop, to how we work, and overall how we live. During the lockdown, with the work from home setup, products like keyboards and accessories were being purchased online to help create a more conducive environment to replicate the office in your house. This was also coupled with the increase in demand of infrastructure products by businesses like servers and cables, for example. Physical well-being and fitness-related products were also in high demand. And equally, we saw people investing in kitchenware and various food-related appliances also. Focusing on how consumer behaviors shift in this new normal, high-tech customers, amongst others, are all looking at how to strengthen the move to a direct-to-consumer model based on online presence and fulfillment capabilities to counter the long-term decline of physical retail stores. Well, consumers will continue to value product availability, delivery visibility, flexibility, and accuracy of delivery, even more so now than ever, actually. Keeping these consumer expectations in mind, it's imperative for tech retail companies to rethink their fulfillment and delivery capabilities by providing flexible delivery hours and options, increased number of drop-off points and pick-up points to allow options like buy online, pick up in store, because consumers will want to spend lesser and lesser times at stores. And inventory control and visibility for better forecast of supply and demand. Return mode options, technical service capabilities, and value-added services such as packaging are no longer nice to have, but an absolute must in a direct-to-consumer model. With the high value of technology products, there is little room for mistakes in servicing and handling. It's also important to mention that we're seeing an increased number of requests from customers with regards to diversifying and redesigning their supply chain networks. Our customers have actually felt an increase in the risk in geographically concentrating operations and are working to build resilience to ensure business continuity with minimal disruptions. Currently, we're working with some leading technology companies around transformation and optimizing their supply chains. We've also successfully delivered a couple of work-from-home projects with leading tech IT companies, providing safe and contactless deliveries direct to their employees' homes. And we're also seeing further opportunities with high-tech companies who are looking to set up their regional fulfillment centers to support their work-from-home operations with us and leveraging DHL Express for the final mile deliveries across Asia Pacific. Well, our e-commerce footprint in Asia Pacific is very robust. We've been handling large-scale e-commerce operations since 2005 across 13 countries in Asia Pacific. We have more than 80 e-commerce customers across this region, across all sectors, including technology. With the changing consumer behavior and a highly dynamic industry such as technology, we can deliver end-to-end integrated solutions from a consumer's online order to fulfillment and final mile. For customers with over 100 orders a day, our omni-channel services can be implemented as a standalone product or integrated with other services. We provide easy and efficient return solutions as well, and a list of value-added services, for example, technical services and repair capabilities to meet customer-specific supply chain requirements. And we are looking to support IT companies to fulfill their work-from-home needs for their employees across the region. With our global and local knowledge and continuous investments in best-in-class IT platforms, we can help you ramp up your e-commerce businesses and also optimize your supply chain. If you would like to discuss your e-commerce business requirements in the technology sector, please do get in touch. We're here and we're looking forward to collaborate with you.